A very good day to all my dear students. Hope you all are doing well and enjoying your study at home. So today we are going to take one more topic of rounding of number for estimation, that is rounding numbers with rules. As you all know, we already had completed its two part. So those who had not seen yet, please go through those two part 1 and part 2 for your better understanding. Okay? Let us recap first. In previous lesson, we had learned rounding number using number line, and we also had learned whenever we round any number to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000, what exactly we can notice. Okay, if we round any number to the nearest tens, so in ones place always 0 will be there. Okay, see, in ones place always 0 will be there. And if we round any number to the nearest 100, in tens place and ones place always 0 will be there. That means the place value less than 100, the place value at which we have to round off, that the place value less than that place value, always 0 will be there. Okay, and if we round any number to the nearest 1000, we always notice that the place value less than 1000, that is 100 tens ones, always 0 will be there. Okay, so here you can notice now, in tens, while we round to the nearest 10, in ones place 0 will be there. Here tens and ones place 0 will be there, and in all these number 100 tens and ones place 0 will be there. Okay, this already we had learned in our previous lesson. We also learned in previous lesson this concept visually. Okay, how this actually the rounding of works, this we had seen, this concept we had seen. So for that we had drawn one number line, and that we came to know that 0 is the lower limit, and the 10, whatever the 10 or 100, whatever the highest limit, that is the upper limit, and the middle limit is 5. And we get two round up and round down, two numbers. So we kept those number in boxes. So numbers which the numbers which consist 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these digits are the round down. Okay, and number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these are the round up numbers. Okay, so always note, just keep one thing always in your mind, it is very important. Always compare previous place value digit for finding round up and round down. Okay, that means if we want to round up any number to the nearest 10, so what we will do, we just find out ke nearest 10 ones place pe which number will be there. Okay, in ones place which number will be there. The same way, if we round off any number to the nearest 100, so we will see the tens place, previous place value always. Okay, and we will find out the previous values, these numbers. If these numbers will be there in previous place value, that number will be round down, and if these number will be there, that number will be round up. Okay, so now we will see this in rules. Okay, just concentrate here and see rules very nicely. Okay, rule first, if the number you are rounding is followed by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this you know, this is round down numbers. So round the number down. This already we had done. So but now what you have to do, whatever, if for example आपको राउंड ऑफ करना है नियरेस्ट 100, तो आप टेंस प्लेस पे देखोगे इनमें से कोई भी अगर नंबर होगा तो उसको हम राउंड डाउन कर देंगे. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 33, इफ number is 33 and we have to round this number to the nearest 10, so 33 is tens में हमें round करना है, तो we will see which number, ones place number. So ones place number is 3, so obviously we will round down. So the 33, what is the previous 10 of 33 is 30, so this number will be round to the nearest 10, that is 30. Or in simple word, we can say simply drop all digit to the right of the rounding digit. For example, tens, you have to round off tens, ठीक है, तो टेंस के राइट में जितने भी डिजिट्स हैं सबको ड्रॉप कर दो और वहाँ पर वी हैव टू राइट जस्ट ओनली ज़ीरोज़. ओके, दिस इज़ द सिंपल वे. Okay, understood? Now, rule 2, what the rule 2 says, if the number or rounding is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, round the number up. Okay, this already we had done na, in number line concept. So, whenever this number will come, okay, in the previous place value of the number which we have to round off, so we have, what we do, we just round the number up. Okay, for example, if 38, we have to round off to the nearest 10. So what is the previous 10 of 38? 30. And what is the upper 10 of 30? 38 is 40. So because it one's place 8 is there. So 8 comes in which round up? So this 38 we round to the nearest 10, that is 40. Or in other words, simply add 1 to the rounding digits and drop all digit to the right of rounding. That means अगर आपको round off करना है to the nearest 10, तो 10 place पे क्या है 3, तो you have to just add 1 to 3 और बाकी जितने भी digits हैं towards right just drop it and make it 0. ठीक है, so this what we had done in this rule. If it is 8, more 5, 6, 7, 8 in this group, more than 5 or equal to 5. So what we will do? This just we will add 1. That means 3 plus 1, 4, and we had dropped this 8 and it will come 0. Okay, this is another way you can do this. But you know the round up and round down. So this is also the convenient way which you can follow. Come on, let us take some example of this. Rounding number to the nearest 10. So let us suppose this we are doing with steps. Okay. So first step, सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? To convert a number to the nearest 10, look at the number at look at the digit in the ones place. So just place this number in place values. So in ones place, which number is there? 3 is there. Okay. Now step 2, we have to find out this 3 in which round down or round up. Obviously, you know this 3 comes in round down. So this 63 round to the nearest 10, round down 60 and 70. So what will come? Obviously 60 will come. So your answer will be 60. Okay. Let's take some more example of 10, nearest 10. If you want to round off number 127 to the nearest 10. So again, what we will do is step 1, we have to place this in place values. Nearest 10, so which digit we will see? Ones, obviously ones. So digit in ones place is 7. Step 2, we will find out in which limit this 1 is. So you can see 7 is in which? Round up. So 127, we have to round off to the nearest 10, 27. What is the previous 10? 20. What is the upper 10? 30. So this will go to the round up. So this 127 will round to the nearest 10 and this will become 130. Okay, and your answer will become 130. Okay. Now take some example of rounding of number to the nearest 100. Okay. So let us take 346. So we will go step wise. Step 1, we just write this number in place values. And we can notice the previous place value. Okay, what is the previous place value? 100, we have to till 100 we have to round off, and previous place value which number is 4. So at 10th place which digit is 4. Okay, now in step 2 we will see whether 4 is in round up or round down. Obviously 4 is in round down. So this 46. Okay, we have to round to the nearest 100. Okay, so what 34, what is the nearest 100 of this 346? Before 100 of 346, 300. Okay, and the answer is 300. Or in the simple way, if the number will come in round down, you have to write the 100 place as it is and just drop all digit and write 0. Okay, so this is the 100 take one more example of 1000 and 10,000. Some big number also we have to do. This both number, both place value we will take with one number only. Okay, 45,106. This number only we will round to the nearest thousand also and nearest 10,000 also. Okay, so please concentrate here everyone. 1000 and 10,000, these are the two place value which we have to round off this number. So for this first we will do with steps. Step 1, what we will do in step 1, just write this number in place values. Okay, so we have to round this number to the nearest thousand. So we will see which previous place value, 100. So at 100 place which digit is ones. Step 2, we will see at what round down or round up box where the 1 will come, it will come in round down. So this 45,106, because we have to round this to the nearest thousand. So till 1000 make it as it is and just drop all digits and make it 0. So the answer is 45,000. Simple. Okay. Same way the same number we will just round this number to the nearest 10,000. So this time which place value we will compare? 1000, because 10,000 previous place value of 10,000 is 1000. So the digit in 1000 place is what? 5. Step 2, we will see at what this digit comes in what range, that is round up range. This is round up range. So this 45,106, 45, this is round up. So 45, what is the next 10,000 or 45? 50,000. So this number will round to the next thousand, that 10,000, that is 50,000. Okay, so this is some example of some big numbers. Now, if the number will come like this, a question will come like this, round off given number, only this, round off given number and number will be there. So what you will do? If the question will come like this, you have to round that number to the highest place value always. ठीक है, उस नंबर की जो भी हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू होगी उसको आप राउंड ऑफ कर देंगे, उस पर आप राउंड ऑफ कर देंगे उस नंबर को. क्लियर? So come on, take example of this also. For example, I am taking two numbers, some big numbers. This is 2 like 45,968 and this number is 78 lakh 25,320. So this number we will round to the highest place value. Okay. So step 1 for this number 2,45,000, we just arrange this in again place values. So you can notice what is the highest place value of this? Lakh. What is the highest place value of this number? Is lakh. So we have to round this. We have to, which number we will compare? 10,000. Okay, because the previous place value is 10,000. So the digit at 10,000 place is what? 4. Again step 2 we will see. So this 4 will come in which round down? Okay. So there's 2 like 45,000. Okay. We have to round this number to the nearest lakh. Okay. So just because it is round down, so just write 2 as it is and drop all digits and make it 0. Okay. Because it is round down. So the answer is 2 lakh. Simple. Now one more example, the same, this 78 lakh. So in this we will compare lakh because 10 lakh previous place value is lakh. So the digit at lakh place is what? 8. Step 2. So 8 comes in what? Round up. So what we will do? Round up, we have to just add 1 to the 10 lakh. Okay, and just drop all 0. So this 78 lakh 25,320. What do you have to do? At what place value we are rounding? 10 lakh. Just add 1 to the 10 lakh place and just drop all zeros. Or 78. What 70? This is one way. Or 78 lakh. What is the next 10 lakh of this? 78 lakh. 10 lakh of next is upper 10 lakh is 80 lakh. So the answer of this 80 lakh. So this is your answer. Okay. So in this way you can do rounding off with rules. Next lesson we will learn estimation with addition and subtraction. Okay, we just use this concept in addition and subtraction. Okay, and for you homework, again this is your homework buddy. Homework, you have to revise this lesson thoroughly and you have to do some more practice with some different place value numbers. Okay, so just practice. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.